Machaca con huevo. Eggs with beef jerky. A main dish from Mexico. Serves 2. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the tomato, onions and jalapenos into small pieces and sauté them in a pan with oil. Step 2. When the vegetables are soft, add the beef jerky. When it in turn gets warm, add the eggs and mix them with the vegetable and jerky. Step 3. When the eggs look like they are done, remove them from the pan. Step 4. Add salt if needed and enjoy this dish with a flour tortilla and beans. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.